Soda bottles or cans are considered a practical application for Boyle's law. As all that applies Boyle's law, but unintentionally, note when you open the bottle or soda can quickly, the gas rushes quickly. And everywhere from the form of foam, causing a mess. What causes this mess?
This mess occurs because the soda is pumped into the soda bottle by passing the water and carbon dioxide. When you open the bottle, you are actually reducing the pressure on the gas and the volume of the gas expands.
Like this. Like that.
Just like that.
Oh,
If you remove the cap, quickly the gas pushes out of the bottle. Therefore, you should open the cap slowly and carefully until the gas come out quietly.
we are facing another phenomenon in which cases the soda bottles,
Yeah.
which is the effectiveness of soda bottles if the bottle expanded to shaking. So what happens to this mess? In this case, when the cap brightens to open, the gas tries to escape from the bottle, but because of bottle mixed with the what's that? In this case, when the cap begins to open, the gas tries to escape from the bottle. But because of being mixed with the liquid, the gas brings the fluid, and with that, it pushes out together, turning into a foam, causing a big mess. That's all. Thank you for listening to our balls.